how to highlight an active row in Excel. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to be telling you how you can highlight an active row in Excel. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm currently clicking on these cells and the rows aren't getting highlighted. So let's say if you're in a presentation and you want people to look at a certain row, you can't just say, all right, look at row number 10 or row number 9, or look at widget C or north region or whatever, right? You want them to easily look at the row that you are trying to get their attention to. So for that, we're going to go ahead and create a highlighted row. So first and foremost, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select the all row, right? Press Control A or Command A if you're on Mac, select all the cells, then come over here on conditional formatting. And then over here, what you want to do is you want to click on New Rule, and then click on Use a Formula to determine which cell to format. And then over here, you want to add a formula, which I will show you, and I'll type in over here so that you guys know which formula I'm talking about. This is the formula right here, is equal row and then closed brackets, both of them, then is equal cell, and then add a bracket and then add a quotation, and then row quotation and end it with another bracket. And then over here, then you want to click on format and select one of the colors. So we've got the fill color right here. What you can do over here, select whichever color you want. I want to select a simple color. You could go with a darker color if you want, but I like a simple color, like for example, this yellow color. I'll go with the lighter version of it, and then click on OK, like this one, and then click on OK. So now you can see currently this row that we selected has been highlighted, but if I click anywhere else, the other rows are not being highlighted. So now what we're going to do is we want to come over here at the bottoms and right click on the tab, and we want to click on View Code. And here we go. You can see this will open up this code section, and here you'll see we have currently in general. You want to switch it to worksheet. If it's already there, great. If not, then switch it. Then over here, right between over here, right, like in this cell, what you want to do is you want to type in a target. You want to select cells, I believe. Sorry, it's not target cell. It's actually target calculate. Yes, there we go. There we go. So now, there you go. Once that's done, now all you got to do is just simply close it up, close this file section. And now whenever we click on any of these cells, you can see that row has been highlighted. So now we can just say, all right, check out this row. You can see all the data, check out this row. And there you go. This is how you do it. This is how you can go ahead and highlight the active row within Excel. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.